Hi everyone, we are starting a wonderful unit on fractions, and we're going to start out with this paper called Fractions on a Number Line. We'll be doing a lot of work ordering fractions and putting them on a number line. So you have this lovely number line from 0 to 1. Any number that comes between that or any space between that is just a fraction or a part of one whole number. That's why we call them fractions. So you can see the largest is 1/2 because that's obviously half of one whole number. The smallest on this display is 1/10. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be kind of using this to help us put different fractions in order. I'm going to give you an example. So if I wanted you to put 1/3 on the number line, so let's just 1/3, excuse my computer writing. Okay. I would go over to the 1/3 line and I see it down here. Now I've got 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. You always start at the left side, just like with reading, left to right. If you have these three different pieces, 1/3 of them is this piece right here. That's one of the thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So I would follow this line at the end of 1/3 straight up, and I probably would just do that in my imagination, this part right here. Ooh, hell, I don't want to do that. And I would find the spot where it goes. The part I would actually write is just a little dash right here. Let me change colors so you can see exactly what I would actually write. A little dash right around where 1/3 is. And above it, I would write 1/3. Ooh, that's sloppy. Sorry. Okay. So what if it was not 1/3? What if it was 2/3? Well, obviously, here I have 1/3, and here's another 1/3. So that makes 2/1/3. That is 2/3. So at the end of 1/3, at the end of 2/3, come up here, and so my 2/3 is going to go right about here, and I would write 2/3. It'll be easier because you won't be writing with a mouse. Okay, come on down. How about if I did 9/10? 9/10. Oh, come on, I can do it. There we go. All right. Well, my numerator is 9. That's the number in the top. My denominator is 10. That is how many pieces my whole number is broken into. So down here, you can see my 10th. That's the same denominator. So I just need to count 9 of these. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come to the end of my 9/10 line. I'm going to have to just kind of make my little imaginary line up this way. It does not have to be exact. You don't have to use a ruler. You can, or you can use the side of a book or something, some straight edge. Right about here, I would write 9/10. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. I'm sorry about that. Okay, but there it is. Sometimes you'll see fractions written like this, 2/3, 2/3. Sometimes you'll see them written sideways like that with a slash. It's the same thing, just different ways of writing it. Okay, everyone, so now you get an idea of how we're going to be using this page. I want you to kind of trim off the outside of this page and glue this into your math journal, please. Thank you, and have a good time.